adjust the gradient type. In the gradient panel, you'll also find two types. Points, which lets you add individual color points. Use the Freeform Gradient Tool in Adobe Illustrator. This is one of the easiest and most creative ways to add beautiful, smooth color transitions to your shapes and designs. If you're new here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more design and Illustrator tutorials. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. Create a shape. Go to the toolbar and select any shape you want. It could be a rectangle, a circle, or a custom shape. I'll choose the ellipse tool and draw a simple circle on the artboard. Step 2. Open the gradient panel. Now, go to the window menu on the top bar and select Gradient, or just press Ctrl plus F9 to open the gradient panel. Step 3. Apply Freeform Gradient. In the gradient panel, click on the drop-down menu and select Freeform Gradient. You'll see color points appear on your shape. Step 4. Add and customize color points. Click anywhere on your shape to add new color points. You can click on each point and choose any color you like from the color picker. Move the points around to control how the colors blend with each other. Step 5. Adjust the gradient type. In the gradient panel, you'll also find two types. Points, which lets you add individual color points. Lines, which creates a flowing line of gradient colors. Play around with both to see what works best for your design. Step 6. Final touches. Once you're happy with your gradient, you can adjust the opacity, move the points, or delete them if needed by selecting and pressing the delete key. And that's it. You've just learned how to use the Freeform Gradient Tool in Adobe Illustrator. Super easy and super fun, right? If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to AK Tutorial channel for more creative tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.